Hello, I'm AJ Chandler, and I'm your host for the Joi Revolution channel here. And this is where we talk about, and I will share with you information about how most people right now are ready to revolutionize, if you will, how we take care of ourselves. Because I think most people would agree that over time, our health, especially here in the Western world, has regressed, not progressed. Okay, you would think over time, we would learn things and discover ways to get better and better and better, but instead, it's there's been a complete slide down the opposite direction. Um, and we live in a society now where the obesity rate is off the charts. The diabetes epidemic, if you will. I mean, we are literally almost in what I would call an epidemic of diabetes, especially in certain areas of the country, and especially where I am here in the South. Um, we see it a lot. Movie that just came out about painkiller. I mean, the people that are having to deal with pain and not having other solutions available to them other than narcotics and things that are addictive and not good, um, again, is off the charts. And as a former pharmaceutical rep coming from that industry, um, it really shined a lot of light on things. And I started asking myself, you know, are we really healing anything, or are we just putting a band-aid on a symptom? Because it seemed like to me most of the products, at least, I mean, I sold a lot of drugs over a course of 20 years, and most of them were to address a particular symptom, high blood pressure, and it would go after one particular area, how to do that. Um, Diabetes, I mean, again, everything treats the symptom, but then is it making it go away? And that's a thing that I really wanted to question, because it seems like to me, if you look at indigenous people and you look at other, I mean, there's lots of, cultures throughout the world where they really are called, they're more healers, you see. That you had people who they would do things or prescribe, I'm not prescribe, but oh yeah, prescribe a lifestyle change or an herb or a tea or something that was natural, that would make their problem that they were having go away. Not something where they had to keep doing it over and over and over and taking it for the rest of their life. And physicians are not taught as to really go into more lifestyle changes as much as they are taught about, how the body works and how this pill, the pharmaceutical reps were the ones who educated the physicians about how to use the products, how to use the drugs. So that's really what it boiled down to. I mean, and again, we only know what we know. And the opposite is true. We don't know what we don't know. So if the physicians are not being taught these things from the very beginning, then it's not their fault, obviously, that they only relay what they have been taught. And so therein lies the cycle that we have gotten into, I believe, as a society, where we no longer, we trust, and we should trust in our healthcare system, but it just has become this cycle of, staying on drugs forever and ever and never getting off. And then you have a drug for this and a drug for that side effect. And before you know it, you've got a little Ziploc bag with, 10 different pill bottles in it. Um, and you have to say, is that healing? Is that getting people to the point where they can be healthy, they can be well, and more importantly, stay that way, stay well? There's a big difference between treating a symptom and treating the source. Getting the cause, because everything's a cause and effect. Like everything in life, there is a cause and effect for everything. So if someone is overweight and they have diabetes and they have hypertension and they have this and that and inflammation and immune systems that are completely shot, if that's what's going on, then there is a reason for that. And that's where we have to, I believe we need to concentrate on how do we address those root causes so that you can stay well, not have to rely on the vicious cycle. So here at Joy Center, go to joycenter.com. This is a new online resource center where we have made it very easy for you to have self-care, to find ways that you can, help, you know, take care of some issues that you may be having physically, but also emotionally, spiritually. We have all kinds of techniques and resources, and we're going to be growing this much more. So I need your support. If you'd like to join me on this Joi Revolution, we are teaming up with other people as we move forward. This is a much bigger project than just Joy, but we are part of a larger revolution. So please, if you're interested in learning to be the best version of you, to be the healthiest and the happiest you've ever been, join me and others as we revolutionize health and well-being and become the best version of ourselves. Thank you. And please subscribe below and show us your support so that we can keep this mission going. Thank you.